This is my last message, calling for the call for the release of the first vice president and the other political detainees. Number one, we have every country in the whole world have come out and called for the release of the first vice president. The president of South Sudan, every day, the only language he knows that the African Union will only give what? Will only give a warning in form of a letter. Same to the international community, same to everybody, including US. Dictators listen to only one language. A dictator, there's no dictator that knows a time to leave. And that is the same to President Kir Mayardit. President Kir have killed South Sudanese. He have destroyed South Sudan. He have killed our children. He have burned our land with chemicals that will take long time for people to heal. These are the things that President Kir have done. Killing us. Destroying our home. Salva Kiir have turned South Sudanese against each other. He have turned Dinkas against Nuer, Nuer against Dinka, to a level a young child, a young boy, came out and say, if you find a Nuer and you find a snake, kill the Nuer first, and then you kill the snake later. Because Nuer is the most dangerous according to him. Where did this child get this information from? From the community that he come from. I am here to say, if we South Sudanese, especially the Nuer tribe, were meant to be killed, then we need to know from the world. We need to know from President Trump. We need to know from the African Union. We need to know from the Tricas country, and we need to know from the UN. The South Sudan government knows very well that you never take action. Your action is always document. We South Sudanese, we need document that speak, that are being backed up. We don't want documents that are not being backed up anymore. We don't want to continue to die. Every day you come and you give documents, you give warnings, more thousands of people died. More women are being raped. More women are being killed. And we are tired. We want to know if South Sudan is not part of the world. Why did you give us our independence in 2011 if you cannot even save us from the hands of a dictator that is killing South Sudanese, from the hand of a dictator that is arresting the peacemakers, from arrest someone that doesn't know what it means to have peace, somebody that have turned our resources to be only for one community, somebody that have turned our country to be the most poor country in the world. South Sudanese are refugees all over the world. Our father have become refugee. Our mother have become refugee. We have no hope. And we have studied. We need to enjoy the resources of our country. I am here to say, President Trump, whatever you will do, I don't know, but we need to also be free as South Sudanese. We need freedom. We need freedom. We need freedom. This year is a year of freedom, is a year of revolution, and we want South Sudan to be part of those people that are celebrating, that are free from this dictator called Salva Kiir Mayardit and President Museveni. Those who are using our resources to kill us. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. No more women to die. No more bombardment. No more killing the children of South Sudan. We are tired. We are tired. We are tired. We are tired, President Trump. We are tired as South Sudanese. We are tired. We are tired. President Trump, we are tired. Do what is needed for President Museveni, for President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Let them go. They have destroyed East Africa. President, they have destroyed our country. They have destroyed our life. We are traumatized. We have mental illnesses everywhere. Our country have turned to be massacred every corner. You find massacre in every corner of the country. Even today, there was a massacre. Why? Because they have turned each other. They only kill us. Take them away. Take President Museveni away. Take President Salva Kiir away, because they are our problem. We want to be free. We want to be part of the countries that are enjoying. Please, hear our cry. Hear our cry. Hear our cry, President Trump. Visit. Do give us freedom. Just like you have given Venezuela freedom. Just like you have given Iran freedom. Give us freedom, President Trump. We need to be free. From 2013, we have been dying. We have been suffering. We need freedom. We need freedom. We also need to enjoy the resources that God gave us in our country. Why give us a sovereignty that you cannot protect and back up? You gave us leader that did not go to school. A leader that doesn't know the meaning of having a country. You have turned the country to be for only one tribe. No to more dying of South Sudanese. No to more killing of our children. Thank you.